Hello and welcome to Ask the Process from Kaushik Majumder, and in Ask the Process Pro I address your workplace challenge related queries that you send me on mail and on social networking platform. In today's video I'm going to share with you the question that has been shared by Sandesh on social networking platform that is related to a challenge that I am so familiar with. So Sandesh's question is, hello Kaushik, 7 months back I lost my job. Job loss led to various health issues. I have spent almost all my savings, no idea about how to survive with family. I'm finding it difficult to keep my sanity. Any advice before I lose it completely would be greatly appreciated. First of all, thank you so much Sandesh for reaching out to me with this problem. Let me tell you, it takes a mother to feel the pain of another. So when I hear someone somewhere lost his job, it reminds me of my time. It makes me feel the same pain and frustration. But what can I tell you with conviction is that losing job is not the end of the world. I'll tell you, in our childhood, we all played this game. In the game, one player is to stand in the middle and the others would play every trick possible, from making funny moves to imitating characters, cracking jokes to make the player in the middle laugh. As little as a small smile and the player in the middle would lose the game. It was a game of nerves. It was about who would blink first. The key to win was to ignore the distractions by keeping the mind busy and hang in there till others give up. Our lives also play the same game with us, making us stand in the middle. With life, the only difference is life tries every trick in the book to make us cry and give up. It throws all kind of spanners and negativity in our way to make us feel angry, frustrated, aggrieved, so that after a point we quit and we lose. And unfortunately, that's the easy part. The key to win the game is to ignore the distractions and the negativity by doing all it takes to make a turnaround and just hang in there. Now, if I can get a job at the age of 15 IT after 5 years work gap, then there is no reason why you can't. However, only thing is quitting is not the option. Let me tell you a secret. 10 years down the line, when you look back, it's not your bank balance or swanky cars that will make you feel proud. It's the character that you have shown in front of the greatest adversaries that life has thrown at you. It's something that not just you, but also your children will be proudly talking about. So in this video, I'm going to give you 6-step strategy on how to deal with your current situation. Number 1, goal clarity. Clarity gives a conviction to take action. Take 3 A4 papers and write 3 immediate goals that you want to achieve on each of these papers. The first one would be obviously to get a job, and the second and third one would be based on your immediate priorities. Under each goal, write the actions that are to be performed to achieve those goals. Now prioritize those actions based on the estimated time consumption and output, starting with low time consumption and high output, and the last one would be high time consumption and low output. Based on the priority, give each action a timeline, a start date and an end date. Now after that, make a consolidated prioritized action list and paste it somewhere that you can see all the time throughout the day, and then start taking action and track them in the goal sheet. Remember, you only focus on actions and outcomes that are in your control. Don't worry about the rest. The rest would eventually fall in line. Number 2, explore opportunities. Though a full-time role may take time, consider interim income sources. Alongside covering your financial need, it would keep your mind busy with the action at hand. Freelancing, short-term projects, anything that would keep your cash flow going. Number 3, assess your finances. With your savings already stretched thin, it's essential to create a strict budget that covers only essentials. Assess your current financials and create a plan and budget to manage your finances judiciously. If you can plan it yourself, great, or else take help. Number 4, look, life is about both success and failure. And it's during the failure one needs support to keep positive and motivated. And this support usually comes from family and friends. Surround yourself with positive people. Talk to them. However, stay away from the negative people, even if that means avoiding some of the closest ones. Negativity is the last thing you need now. Number 5, prioritize your health and well-being. Look, most important of all is your health and well-being. Stress can be all-consuming, especially in challenging times. Take small and consistent steps every day for mental and physical well-being. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day, a brisk walk can help improve focus and energy. And number 6, relentless action. Action, 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 and take action. Here, I would like to quote Dr. John DeMartini. He said, if you don't fill your days with high performance actions, it will remain filled with low performance distractions. So this is a 6-step strategy that would help you, Sandesh. All the very best with your job search. So viewers, what do you think? Any of you are facing any such challenge and need help, please drop a message with your contact details and I would connect with you. Now it's time to share with you about Workplace Warrior Launchpad, the free webinar that I conduct for working professionals to help them deal with the challenges, especially job loss and job insecurity. So those of you, especially the mid and senior level working professionals across industry who don't want to get caught off guard while dealing with your job insecurity and want to take charge of the situation, Workplace Warrior Launchpad could be the best option available. Please check the first comment for the link to register for Workplace Warrior Launchpad. And one thing, if you register, please do join. And if you're facing any workplace challenge that you are looking a solution to, then you can drop me the details with your contact numbers and mail ID, and I would discuss the same in Ask the Process Pro program. Your identity would be kept confidential. So with this is Kaushik Majumder signing off here. Looking forward to seeing my next video. Till then, bye-bye.